Hey guys, it's Catherine here and welcome back to our channel. And let me start off by saying once again, Happy New Year to you. 2019 went out with a bang, but now we are here in 2020. So let me just say Happy New Year to you. Now today's project, I am going to be doing a Dollar Tree DIY kickoff of the new year. So what I'm going to show you today is going to be a floral silhouette of a woman wreath. And I'm going to use this as my Valentine's Day project for my front door. So if you're interested in seeing how I made it, just keep watching. If you are new to my channel, I thank you so much for watching, and please don't hesitate to hit the subscribers button so that you will be notified each and every time I do upload a new video. If you are already a subscriber, I thank you so much for tuning in again. And without further ado, let me go ahead and let you know all of the items that we will be using in this project for today. All right, so here are all of the items that we will be needing for today's project. I'm going to show them to you and tell you what they are, but then I'm also going to leave all of the items in the description box below. So first and foremost, you will need a silhouette of some sort. And I have two here. I'm not sure which one I'm going to use, but I'm probably leaning towards the silver, and I just cut them out of my Cricut. Also, you're going to need a floral ring. I got this from the Dollar Tree. You'll also need this block of floral foam, and that we're going to cut into thirds, and I'll show you why we're going to do that. You're going to need some wire cutters. You're also going to need a Sharpie, and that's just going to be so that I can paint on the silhouette if I decide to, to paint on the silhouette, maybe, some eyelashes or, maybe lipstick. Also, you'll need a hole puncher to punch a hole in the top of the head to actually attach it all to the wreath ring. And then you'll need some Chanel stems, aka pipe cleaners, or even you can use zip ties. And then you'll need, of course, glue gun and glue sticks. And then last but not least, you will need flowers of your choice. And I have chosen some red roses, just because this project is going to be kind of my first Valentine's Day project. All right, so take a look at all the items. Again, I will leave a description in the box at the bottom. So let's go ahead and get this project started. All right, so the first thing that I'm going to do is take my floral foam and cut it in thirds. One piece. And the first piece didn't cut just right, but believe me, I'm going to use it somehow. Got that cut. Now I'm going to take it and I'm going to hot glue it to the wreath here, like so. Okay, so you see how it cut. It did not cut like it was supposed to cut. But a lot of times things don't go the way that you plan them to, but you just make do, you jerry rig it, and you make it work. All right, so here it is. They're cut into the 3 sections. And what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to take it and hot glue it onto this floral ring. I'm just going to put glue on the bottom here, where the foam actually touches it, and then again along the top where it touches. And once I do that, I'll hold it up and let you see what it looks like. All right, you see, so it is attached, and I'm shaking it, and you know, I've got the glue all around. Now it's not the prettiest, but I did want to put enough glue just to make sure that I had it completely tacked down all around. You won't see any of that because we're going to actually put flowers in everywhere where you see this foam. All right, now let me show you. You see this? You see this little space here? I left it open there because what we're going to do, that's where we're going to stick the silhouette head in. So we're going to stick her head in there. We're going to cut holes in the top and put the pipe cleaner through just so that we can, you know, hold it all in place. But we're not at that step yet, but I just wanted you to see why I left that gap there. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the flowers and I'm going to just start cutting them off at the stem. Now I'm probably going to cut probably about an inch or so of the stem. Leave on about an inch or so of the stem because we're going to need some stem to push down. So let me start cutting and then I'll let you see. All right, cutting stems, still just snipping them off. I don't know if I told you, but I picked up about 10 bunches of flowers and hoping that's going to be enough. It should be. If not, I'll try to make it work. If it looks too empty, then I will definitely go back and get some more. Alright, so still just chopping away at cutting off the stems. And still cutting. Now, I don't know if you can see, but I'm actually cutting all of the leaves off. I don't think I want any leaves to be left on. So I'm going to just cut all of the leaves off and just have the stem. Now, I don't know if I told you, but this project was inspired by Stephanie from Gypsy's Creation. Now, if you haven't checked out her channel, you should really check out her channel. The girl is bad. I actually, you know, got this idea from her. And so I definitely, you know, want to give her props for it. But I can see doing this floral wreath arrangement in just a lot of different colors. And like I said, the Dollar Tree has just put out all of their spring floral pieces, and the colors are beautiful. I mean beautiful. I want to do a yellow one when the spring comes in. I might do a pink one maybe for Mother's Day and, you know, give it to my mom. But the colors that these flowers come in are beautiful. But like I said, since it is Valentine's Day, I wanted to do this one to represent Valentine's Day and hang it on my door. Now I'm going to hang it on the inside of my front door and not my outside, you know, because I want the inside of my front door to look just as beautiful as the outside. All right, guys, so I've got all 10 bunches cut off. So now we're going to go ahead and start inserting them into the wreath form. Okay, so let's go ahead and start. Let me show you. I'm going to just start and get the outer portion here, and I'm just going to push the flowers into the form like so. And then I'm going to continue all around. So, you know, it's going to take some time to get it completely filled in, but that's what we're going to do. Now the section that I'm going to put the head in through, it's the end that's closest to me. So when I get to that part, of course, you know, I won't put any flowers there. This is really, really, really a inexpensive and a really cute project to make. And everything did come from the Dollar Tree with the exception of the silhouette. I actually cut that out on my Cricut, but then I got the paper from AC Moore. Now I don't know if where you live, if it's a nationwide thing, but AC Moore where I live, apparently they're going out of business, and that's so sad because I love AC Moore, I really do. So I went there and they had everything 30 to 40% off. And so I got a bunch of that glittered paper because that's what I cut. Okay guys, somehow my phone cut off and I obviously didn't get anything else that I was recording after I said that's where I get all. But I was saying that AC Moore is where I got all of my paper that I've been using for my silhouettes, the glittered ones. And now that they're going out of business, I did get them for $1 a sheet. And I've actually completed this, and I'm not sure why or what happened to that footage, but let me show you thus far where I am. I am so sick that I lost that footage. But see, so all of the flowers have been put onto the ring, and I've actually gone ahead and attached the silhouette, but let me show you how I attached it. Okay, so I punched a hole in the back of the silhouette and I slid it in between the slot that I showed you. I actually tied 2 Chanel stems together, pulled them up, and then just tied them around the top of the floral foam. So I hope you can see that. I've got to really delete some stuff out of this foam. So that's what the back is looking like. And the front, I did run out of flowers. So there's a small section down here. So see from the side view, this whole section here where I need to go back and get some flowers to fill in, to complete it. And then on this side, I need to go back in and get some flowers there also. But let me show you, since you know, I didn't get to show you the full effect. So see, here it is all done up, with the exception of me going back and adding in those flowers. So I'm going to go ahead and get that done, and then I'm going to show you what it's like completely done up. Then I'm going to go ahead and give her some jewelry, an earring, and possibly a necklace. Put some lipstick on her and some eyelashes. And then I will show you what it's like completely done up and hanging on my front door. I am so sorry about the footage that we did lose, but I will definitely do another one, you know, and probably the one that I do for spring, and then I'll do another video of it from beginning to end. All right, so stay tuned. All right, guys, so here she is, all finished up. My floral lady silhouette wreath. She's beautiful. Let me get a little bit closer so that you can see that I really did finish her up. I did go back and get 2 more bunches of the red roses. So all in all, I have about a total of 12 bunches of roses on her. She's completely full all the way around. And let me zoom in a little bit closer so that you can see her face. She has on some black mascara. She's got black eyelashes. She's got the red lips. And I don't know if you can tell that those are pipe cleaners that I actually used for her earring. And then also on her neck to give her a necklace, I used pipe cleaners. So there she is, all beautiful. Tell me what you think. She's hanging on my front door, and like I said, I will go ahead and change her out. When the spring comes, I will do a yellow one and hang on my door, but I do love it. She's very, very beautiful, simply easy to make. All in all, this project cost, let's see, $12 for the roses, $2 each for each one of the floral foam pieces. So that's $15 if you count the actual silhouette itself. So $15 is what it took to make this beautiful door wreath. And I think she's absolutely stunning. All right, give you a closer look of her. All right, guys, until next time, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.